and welcome to my channel Beauty and the Good. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification that comes next to it so that you'll be notified every time that I upload a new video. Today I'll be reviewing 3 products from BBlunt, their shampoo, conditioner and a high definition curling leave-in cream. So the first thing is the shampoo. This is how it looks like. Now this shampoo is for intense moisture shampoo for seriously dry hair. Now before I start reviewing any of these products, let me tell you that I have curly hair and they are very thick and dry and frizzy and dry and damaged. So I always gravitate towards shampoo and conditioners that will help me tame my hair and to decrease the frizz, and that is why I chose the BBlunt Dry and Damaged shampoo and conditioner, because as I thought that they were a really good option to choose for. So yeah, let's get started with the review now. So the first thing is the shampoo. Now this is how it looks like. It is their intense moisture shampoo for seriously dry hair. Now coming to the packaging looks really nice and classy. It's a blue bottle with ombre effect and it has a beautiful shape too, and it comes with a pump system to dispense the product, which makes it very convenient to use. Now the shampoo itself is of light blue color, and the consistency is just like any other shampoo. There's nothing great about it. So when I use this shampoo, I usually either apply hair oil around 1 or 2 hours before shampooing, or maybe I use a hair mask. So these are the 2 situations that I usually follow it up with a shampoo. But I also tried this for reviewing purpose. I also tried this without applying any oil on my hair and directly using it. So what my observation was that I used the oil, I had to use a little bit extra shampoo, of course, to completely cleanse the scalp and my hair. And also when I did not use oil on my hair, I was still able to remove all the gunk and dirt from my scalp and my hair with little less quantity of the shampoo. It lathers really well, there's no problem. The fragrance is very nice. It has a little aqua fresh sort of a fragrance. And what I observed was, if I don't follow it up with a conditioner, it still did make my hair a little bit dry and frizzy. But yeah, if I follow it up with the BBlunt conditioner, I felt that it did give me a smooth and frizz-free hair. So this is the second product. This is the BBlunt conditioner. This is again for seriously dry hair. So I used this shampoo followed up with the conditioner, and I did find that yes, it made my hair really soft. It really helped me to tame my curls and make it frizz free, but it did not help me at all with detangling. So right now I have partially straightened my hair, so you cannot see those many curls, but I have very hefty curls and my hair tends to get tangled, and it becomes like inseparable, and I really struggle a lot with any shampoo and with the whole process of shampooing and conditioning. It becomes a huge challenge for me. So this product, it did not help me to detangle my hair, and I did have to follow it up with a hair serum to to detangle my hair. So that was like a con for me. Another thing that I felt after using this, that the price range was a little higher. I could get similar sort of result with a little bit of lower price range. But the product did work well on my dry and damaged hair, and that is why I review for these 2 products. Now the third product that I use, that I have been using for the past 6 months now, this is the BBlunt High Definition Curl Defining Leave-In Conditioner. This is how it looks like. Now this also comes in with a pump system to dispense the product, which is convenient and also inconvenient in a way, because when the product reaches the bottom line, or which is about to get over, it stops pulling the product up through the pump system, and it gets really inconvenient to get the product that time. I'm currently in that phase of this product, that's why I got to know, because I have already consumed this much of the product, only little bit is left, so it is a little difficult to dispense the product. But I have been using this for 6 months and I really felt that it was economical, because I have very hefty curls and I did use this after every shampoo and conditioning phase, and it really made my curl defined, and it holds the curls for the till the time that you shampoo your hair next. So I think this one is my favorite product for curl defining. I have used many other products which help to define the curls. I have even tried L'Oreal and other brands, but BBlunt's curl defining leave-in cream is one of the best in the market. This one I really like. I don't have anything bad to say about it. Yes, the fragrance is a tad bit irritating. I do not like it. It's a little bit chemicalish sort of a fragrance which is covered up by some floral fragrance, but you can still feel that chemicalish smell. So that is the only thing that I don't like about this product. Otherwise, I'm absolute fan of this product. When it comes to shampoo and conditioning, concluding, I could just say that it is a decent shampoo and conditioner. It did not do wonders on my hair, but it did not damage my hair any further. So if you're someone who likes BBlunt products and prefer using them, then this is a good one to go. If you're someone who feels that these products are a little costlier, then you may try some other options as well. So yeah, that was my review on all of these products. I hope that the review was helpful for you. If you have used any of these products, then let me know your experience in the comment section below. I'm happy to read all your comments. And yeah, that was all about this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.